So, campus placements are the best way to get into any kind of job. So, what you have to do is you have to always try to get a job through campus placement, as it is the easiest way to find a job. So, without much chaos and hassle, you can get through, campus placement, because it helps you to get a job even before you get your degree. So, always give prime importance to training and placement cell. Be in touch, always ask your training and placement officer what's going on, and you need to work closely with your training and placement officer along with your mentors, faculties, and most importantly your personality development trainer, or whosoever is taking care of your training domain, whosoever is taking care of your grooming, soft skills. So they are the one who will perfectly guide you through the campus procedures and help you out to prepare for campus placement. So this is a advice from my end, that please give importance to campus placement, because they are the easiest way to find a job. So you have to take campus placement seriously, and please keep this point in mind when you are preparing for such kind of jobs. Like, you have to work hard to maintain a good CGPA score. When you are preparing for any kind of job interviews, you have to make sure that you take part in all kinds of extracurricular activities, so that you have enough of data to add up when you are preparing your resume. Do a thorough research, study the companies you are applying for, and this is a great way to start your career. So getting a campus placement gives you security and a guaranteed job when you are still in your college, and when you are still on a verge of completing your degree. So taking part in those extracurricular activities will help you showcasing your soft skill, such as leadership, communication, creativity, and that's the reason I highly recommend you all to focus on your extracurricular, co-curricular, along with your projects, internships, and certifications. So few suggestions from my end while you are still in college. Like, in a very first year, when you go in your final year, you start applying for the job. So make sure that in pre-final year, when you are in your pre-final year, you at least create your resume and be thorough and prepared, and be focused about the companies you would like to target for. You can ask your training and placement officer what are the companies, those who have visited your campus, or your training and placement officer can get through all those companies wherein you can apply. So from that point of time, start making the list of companies, your dream companies, and do match up your skills, your qualification, and your percentage along with the same. Because in many companies there is a criteria. For an example, there are many companies, software companies, wherein the criteria is 60% throughout in 10th, 12th graduation. So in case if you have missed out on those criteria, then there is no use of targeting, to aim for those kind of companies, because you won't be eligible to get through the campus placement of those particular companies. So in this case, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you target those companies which fall in that criteria. So it's not only about the dream company, but it's also about what kind of percentage or CGPA or your academic career has been till now. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind. Second thing is, at least make a sketch or a draft of your resume, and then see what are the columns which you would need to work upon and fill it. For an example, a very important chunk of information which is required in your resume is the internship project details. So in the very first year, make sure make plannings for where you will do your internship, what will be the companies where you will go for the internship, and start working on it. Now, gray areas. For an example, if you are not very good in your comm skills, if you are afraid of, if you are scared of talking or public speaking or communicating while somebody is sitting in front of you, so those are the things, areas of improvement which you should start working upon in the very first year. So last not the least, main important thing which I would like to convey through this video is that campus placement plays a crucial role. They are the easiest way if you would like to get any kind of job, because campus placement में बहुत कम आपका कंपटीशन होता है एज कम्पेयर टू अगर आप किसी पूल कैंपस के लिए या फिर आप वॉक इन इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हो. तो आप इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को ज़रूर इनकैश करो. डोंट टेक इट लाइटली बिकॉज मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट टेक दीज अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ वेरी लाइटली कि कॉलेज में ये कंपनीज आ रही हैं, अच्छी नहीं है, मुझे नहीं बैठना है. प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. At least have a job in your hand. Easiest way to get a job in your hand is through campus placement. And after that, once you get experience, when you gain experience, when you are in the market, you have your own network set, that time you can plan to switch for other company. So that is all I wanted to convey in this video. Thank you so much for watching Fresh Learning Academy. Take good care of yourself, and yes, bye bye.